जेई मेंस 26 का डिफरेंशिएशन चैप्टर में से ये क्वेश्चन आया था. दिस क्वेश्चन इज स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड. We have to find in this question 225 in bracket y dash minus y double dash. So we have to find y dash and y double dash. For that we have y is equals to log of 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square, and x is in between minus 1 to 1. So differentiate with respect to x, we will get y dash is equals to minus 4x divided by 1 minus x square, and on putting x is equals to half in this equation we will get minus 32 by 15. Now to find y double dash, differentiate again with respect to x, we will get y double dash is equals to minus 12x to the power 4 minus 4 divided by 1 minus x to the power 4 bracket to the square. So let's find out this y double dash at x is equals to half. We will get minus 1216 divided by 225. Now final answer we have to find 225 into y dash minus y double dash. So on putting values of y dash and y minus y double dash, we will get 225 into y dash minus y double dash is equals to 736. This is our final answer. Thank you.